as we're singing.
Coach Mel and
Coach Tammy.
so these pieces I cut at 11 inches. Usually I do 10, but these I cut at 11 inches. We have the 12-inch flower board, 12-inch flower board. And the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go from the back. So I'm just going to take it from the back. I have, what size are these?
4-inch.
I have 4-inch zip ties. And I'm just going to load them from the back in all of the places. While I'm trying to go as fast as my little fingers will go. Okay, 11 inches. We have a 12-inch board, and I've put my pieces now in all of the spots. You can see real easy all the spots that you put the zip ties in. These are 11 inches, so they're not going to make perfect triangles, okay? It's all right. The one time I'm not like crazy OCD. So I'm just going to bring my tips together so that the tip goes here. You see my OCD is a little bit crazy because it comes off here a little bit, and I'm just going to scrunch this right up the center until I have that little point there, and I'm going to use that point and slide it right in here. I'm just going to take my tip, put it right up to the other tip, and scrunch right up the center here. Keep that center kind of real tight, so then I have that little point is sticking out, and then I'm going to put it right in to my already ready zip tie. Zip real tight, and we're going to keep doing that all the way around. So now I need to cut all of these off because you're going to put your next layer on and you don't want to have them sticking out. So still 11 inches. Be real gentle after you cut this stuff. Just be real gentle. It might look like a mess. We don't know. We're going to see how it goes. Oh yeah. It's going to look like a mess. Okay. Once they're all in, we'll clean them up. Okay. I'm doing the same thing, corner to corner. So if I had a red, solid red, or red and white even, that would be perfect. I don't know about this one. Maybe I played with that first one a little bit. This one was good. Just got to get it in enough to pull it. Same thing over and over again. There's so many different petals. So many different petals. This one, for me, is the easiest, the quickest.
Oh, look.
Okay, all right, we're going back to the center, going back to my green. They're still cut at the same size, 11 inches. So up to the corner. Real tiny. And I'm gonna be real careful because I'm coming on top of this that's already real fragile. Okay, so I'm gonna come right in there. So you needed 16 of the green on the outside. So there's 16 here. There's 8 red here. There's going to be 8 red here. And then there's going to be, I'm sorry, green. And then there's going to be 4, maybe 8 on the inside. We'll see how things go. I usually do 8 on the very inside roll. I'm sorry, row. But it really just depends on how that flower is going to look. Coming right in here on the top. I love this already, and mostly I love it because I know how that flower is gonna match so perfectly. Okay, going back in right in the center, So here's how I do it. There's 4 there right now. I probably will add 4 more, but I like to add these into the mesh so that this gets real tight, so that that center where I need to put that next pipe zip tie has room for me. So 11 inches, corner to corner, come right up, pinch, real gentle. Take like a thumb size and put it right down in here. It's going to be our inside. I'm going to add those other pieces. So see how now that these are tight, I should have the room. I do have the room to put those right in, and it's a little easier. Now I'm going to do the same thing.
You just went right back in the other holes.
Yep, I used those same holes.
All right.
So here's what we have so far. I have that flower right in the center, and
cool.
I used that stem, I kept it long, and I put it right underneath that pipe zip tie. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I put it right underneath there. I'm going to go in real careful with that other 4. So I'm going to do the hardest one first, because okay, are you ready with me? Are you ready? Are you ready with me? Are you ready?
I am excited about this part. Oh my gosh. Hold on, wait.
You're good.
I was like, we feel a reel coming on. Oh my gosh. Oh, Mel, that did work.
It's so stinking pretty. It's so pretty, I can't even take it. I love this flower so much.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's so cute!
Gosh.
Look at how cute!
It's gorgeous.